Bill here with the Metals Minute. Today's Wednesday, February 23rd, 2022. Well, it's been another good week for the metals, for all the metals. We've got gold up over 2%, silver up over 3%. As of the time of this video, and the other two metals are also up significantly in the last week. Having said that, today being Wednesday, it's also an important day concerning options expiring, and so we do expect there to be paper selling pressure on primarily gold and secondarily silver. Typically the platinum group metals, platinum and palladium, don't get caught up in that as much as gold and silver, so there may not be much of a slowdown on the other two metals. But the last time we talked about this, the magic number seemed to be 1850, where they tried to get gold below that. This time it's 1900, so there'll be a lot of selling pressure trying to get gold underneath 1900, so options will expire worthless, and that will save some of these investment banks a lot of money if they can successfully tamp down gold and then secondarily silver. So we'll probably see that today. Don't be alarmed. Don't know how far down they'll smash it. I would say the extreme would be 1820, and I personally doubt that it will get that low, but just understand it's going to probably go below at some point today. However, all the factors that have caused it to go above 19 are still there, and we have all the uncertainty going on with the conflict in Russia and Ukraine, and we talk more about how that situation is already affecting American consumers. That's in our main article this week. I'll put a link to it so you can check that out. But today we wanted to focus more on making sure you're aware of the short-term pressure, and if you can, it provides a good opportunity generally to add to your metal if you can on the gold and silver side. And going forward, we're set up for a great multi-year expansion in gold and silver prices. Unfortunately, the surrounding financial situation and economic numbers aren't as favorable, but you know, one benefit that we do have is we can help protect our financial futures and against the erosion of our purchasing power by simply owning precious metals. And as it sits there, whether you use the professional vaulting services at the Texas Bullion Depository or whether you have alternative vaulting services of your own, as the metal sits there, it simply does its work over time. And it's a comforting thought to know that the basic necessities of life, as well as providing for future generations of your family, can be accomplished simply by owning precious metals. So we encourage you to take a look at that. Don't be alarmed by the paper smash we'll probably see today and possibly extend into a little bit of tomorrow. But I believe all the fundamentals are still there for continued solid performance by the metals. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you don't mind, and hopefully these metal minutes are helping you, but we sure enjoy it and appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.